Okay, now this is our problem. Find the maximum sum of a k equal to 3 consecutive elements. Okay, or in other words, we can say that find the maximum sum of a sub arrays of a size k equal to 3. Here 3 is there. In question k equal to k equal to 4, might k equal to 5, and so on. Here k equal to 3 is there. Okay, now I'm showing you the by following steps. Just listen over here. Now, what in step 2, what will be happen? See, in step 1, what will happen? This is our array. Okay, this is our array. So this is our array. So in step 1, we have to add first 3 elements. So this will our window size from these to this. This is our window size. And in here our window size I'm showing you from here to here. This is our window size. And the sum of this is what? Sum of this is what? 8. In step second, in step 2. Okay, in step 2 what? Again my array is there. Now in step 2, our window size will be different. Our window size will be different. So in step 2, now my window will be from this, means from this to this. This is my window size. Okay, now my window will be from here to here. I'm showing you by diagram. This is my window size from these to this. This is my window size. Okay, and the sum of these elements are 7. The sum of these elements are 7. Now in the step 3, in step 3, now again my array is there. Now my window size will be from this to from here to here. Okay, now and my window will be from here to here. Okay, from here to here, and the sum of these are what? 9. Sum will be this of 9. Okay, now in step 4, in step 4, in step 4, sorry, step 4 what? My windows will be from, again I will put array and I will show you. Now my windows will be from here to here. Okay, and my arrays will be from here to here, and sum will be what? Sum will be what? Sum will be what? 6. Okay, now see here, sum 8, after sum 7, now sum 9, and sum. So this is the maximum sum. This is the answer. This is maximum sum. This I have to return this. Okay, this I want result. Now see, now here the compulsory first 3 element we have to take on first. There is no problem. But now in step 2, see, this is old number. This is out number. Sorry, this number is out. Keep it in mind. This number is out. So which number is in? This number is in. Look at carefully. This number is in. Means this number will be in over here. Okay, and this number will be out from window. Now in this step, this number is out. See, this number is out from window, and here 3 will be in. 3 will be in the window. 3 will be enter in the window like this. Now in this step, what? 5 number will be out from the window. This 5 number, and this 2 number will enter into the window. Okay, like this. So basically what I'm trying to tell you over here, I'm trying to keep the record of a old number and the in number, and by using old number and in number and the sum variable, we will calculate the sum of these, sum of these, sum of these. Okay, so the basic formula is a very important formula. I'm taking sum over here, like here I'm taking the sum, that's why I wrote here sum. So whatever you will addition stored, take that variable name, you have to add that sum in the enter number, in the entering number in the windows entering number. So the number will be from the array only, so that will be your in number. Okay, and we have to minus old number, that will be goes out from the window. So how will you do that? Array of I minus k. So this is the formula. This is very important formula. This is very important formula. By using this formula, you will find out the addition. We will find out the addition. Understand? So basically this is what this is. See, basically this is in number, entering number in the window, and this is out number, the number which are going out of the window. Okay, from the window. So now I'm moving to the code, and I'm showing you how to write the code. Just